too much.
No, I'm going to delete it after I've seen it.
Which are you going to delete?
The one that we're doing right now. Can Charlotte say, hi Mr. Barney Bear?
Hi, Mr. Barney Bear.
Hello,